races me to the peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got.
Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. You're highly welcome. Today is Monday and I want to clean my fridge, and also I want to make tomato stew, emergency stew. Yesterday was Sunday and we didn't, it didn't go down well like that. Okay, so I want to just prepare emergency stew. Spend the day with me and Oma. Life in diaspora, doing it all alone with no help is not easy. I don't know how I'm going to be cleaning the fridge, making stew with Oma. Oma is already crawling everywhere, and we bought her walker. I don't even know if you put her in the walker, she will not stay there. If she stay there for like 5 minutes, and she'll be crying for you to bring her out. She wants to be walking up and down. Oh, let me show you guys. She's here. That is my mama for her walker. Mama. Mommy. Mommy, baby. Mommy. I told you guys I went out now, so I bought this long pepper, okay, the red one. This is steamed tomato, okay, and this one is fresh tomato, okay, and it's fresh. This one is milk and noodles, baking soap and onions, okay, basically all I got. And this one is a women's stuff. This is basically all I got, guys. And this one is the chicken I will be using for the stew. This one is biscuit bowl. My husband loves biscuit bowl very well. There is no food I will make in this house without biscuit bowl. This is the only thing I will be using for this stew. As I told you guys, emergency stew. This emergency stew, I will not even be blending this tomato. I will just cut it sharp. My dear, hey, you people will see. Mama will not allow me to do anything in this house. Mama will not allow me to do anything.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so pain. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of
Washing those stuffs that I removed from the fridge. I'll start cleaning the fridge now, okay?
Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
to the peak. Without no regret, you got no.
I used to put something here so that the water that will be dropping from the meat, and all of that will be dropping on it. Okay, I used to put foil paper, but I don't have foil paper. It's finished, so I'm going to put in a parchment paper. I get foil paper or this paper towel. I will put it here. Okay, it helps a lot. Okay, so that is it.
Things left to explore, I don't hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you.
I want to start preparing the stew right now, but Oma is awake and she's hungry and I need to feed her. I wanted to go and bathe and refresh myself and get myself back, but Oma is already awake and I cannot leave her all by herself. Just sit. I'm so tired. This is a typical day in my life. In fact, this is my next work.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you. I'll lie to you to find the truth that you hold back. So stay with me. You know that I'll follow.
My wife, she love me better. Mata dem na, echeta nata. My baby, my wife, my wife, my wife, my life, my everything. My wife, she love me better. Mata dem na, echeta nata. My baby, my wife, sugar mo. My my baby, my wife. I thank God for blessing in my life. The highest blessing in my wife. She know how to sweet in my life, how to cool my heart. Cause you know Lord in my day, she go dey manage you. My wife, my wife. My life, my everything, my wife, she love me better. My baby, my wife.
So guys, hobby is back. This is what he got. This is tavuk pilau. This chicken and rice. I love chicken and rice. Turkish. This is one of my best Turkish food. Okay, so he got me. I'm unboxing it here with you guys. I hope you guys can see it. This is their bread. This is their bread. Now, bread in kakas. Yeah. So they carry bread and food here. So this is it. Chicken and rice and salad. This is Turkish food. Okay? Yeah. It's their bread. Any Turkish food with no bread, that one is not Turkish food though. There must be bread. Thank you. Nice. Okay. So guys, I'm ending this vlog. You have strength to do any other vlog or to add anything here again. Okay, the food, the stew is ready. Everything is ready. I will bathe my baby, take my bath, we eat and sleep. Okay. I would have continued taking you guys along, but guys, I am, in fact, the strength to even be carrying the camera up and down, positioning things have tired me. So I'm super tired. I've done beyond myself today. I'm telling you guys, I've stressed myself so much. Okay, so I'm ending this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time seeing me, please, this is my channel, Unique Grace TV. Okay, you're highly welcome. You will love us. Click a like, yeah. subscribe and be a part of this family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate. For always supporting me, I truly appreciate. Thank you guys. I love you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Okay? Bye.
What are your plans this year?
I must be a doctor.
Eh?
I must be a doctor. Messi,
Apart from doctor, what else?
I will be a lawyer.
Login.
I will be a lawyer.
Lawyer. And what next?
I will be pastor.
Doctor, lawyer, na pastor. 3 in 1. Ibu kwike.
Ebum power ke America budola.
If you know, we school give you admission.